each and every student of this college is blessed that they have such a course and even more courses like this. Work under someone who can mentor you. I didn't have a mentor. That was my biggest mistake. There are so many lalas, there are so many people who don't have knowledge, there are so many people who can't even read property documents properly. If you are getting this certification, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं होगी 3 साल बाद यहाँ पे आपकी फोटो लगी होगी और लिखा होगा कि 300 crores in sales.
On behalf of Asian School of Business and Asian Education Group, today's very insightful conversation with Mr. Prajesh Bhatia, sir.
$1 million listings.
Yeah.
It happened and you were an overnight superstar. How was your experience?
So first of all, when I had started, I had seen this guy Ryan Serhant. He's the number one real estate agent in USA, and he had been in real estate, right? And जैसे ही उनकी तरफ से मेरे को मैसेज आना, I'm like भगवान ने मेरी सुन लिया, खुद ही इतनी young age में मेरे को डाल दिया है. And again, so I shot everything. It was a 3-4 month process, and after that, it's just been like कभी-कभी imposter syndrome भी आ जाता है. That am I worth all the attention that I'm getting? There are so many people who text me every day that Prajesh, we want to learn under you. We'll work for you for free. Just mentor us, just guide us. And it has been again a very huge privilege that I am being considered this worthy, that I can guide people, I can mentor people. But कहीं ना कहीं it's a big responsibility for me as well that I have to give back to the community. जिन लोगों ने मेरे को बनाया, अगर आज में वो देख रहे हैं, मेरी हर पोस्ट लाइक कर रहे हैं, they are DMing me, they share it with their friends that he's our friend, इनको follow करो.
So supposing students are there who are very interested to start with their career in real estate.
Right.
So what advice would you give them? How do they go about it?
First of all, work under someone who can mentor you. I didn't have a mentor. That was my biggest mistake. If you want to get ahead, get a mentor. Get someone who actually gives you time. And अब पहले से 2021 मैंने शुरू करा, we are at 2025. Start listening to real estate podcast. You should always have something to say when the other person is sitting with you. हम क्या कहते हैं, हमारे ना रियल एस्टेट में क्या होता है, अगर मेरे को कोई चीज़ नहीं पता होगी ना, मैं घुमा दूंगा, मैं किसी और चीज़ के बारे में बातें करने लग जाऊंगा जिसमें मेरी नॉलेज होगी, एंड द अदर पर्सन विल थिंक दैट चलो इसको नॉलेज है. सो एज समवन हु स्टार्टिंग इन रियल एस्टेट, you watch YouTube videos, you watch podcasts, you start working under someone, you take them as a mentor, and I would say try not to take any offs. जितना पीछे पीछे उनके पढ़ सकते हो, जितना शैडो कर सकते हो ना अपने मेंटोर को, उतना करो, बिकॉज दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज दैट यू गेट वो कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स डू द कोर्स in this college, and I'm sure आप बहुत आगे जा सकते हो.
All right. Coming specifically to our institution here, we have very thoughtfully, going about having this certification in real estate management. Right. So how do you think that it can help students chart a career similar to yours?
Guys, so first of all, I would like to put this on record that each and every student of this college is blessed that they have such a course and even more courses like this, because क्या होता है, I am telling you, there is a very big void in professionalism in this industry. There are so many lalas, there are so many people who don't have knowledge, there are so many people who can't even read property documents properly. If you are getting this certification, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं होगी 3 साल बाद यहाँ पे आपकी फोटो लगी होगी और लिखा होगा कि 300 crores in sales. I am telling you, मेरे से ज़्यादा कम टाइम लगेगा. Get that sort of knowledge. You are blessed with having teachers who have actually make the effort to call people like this and to hold these seminars and make sure you are getting the right sort of knowledge. And this certification, I am telling you, 300 crores for you will be peanuts.
Within real estate, would you think that students should explore sales or consulting or analytics first?
I would say go for sales first of all, because once you have that sort of on ground experience, तब आप एनालिटिक्स में घुस सकते हो, तब और क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, तब उन चीज़ों में घुस सकते हो. एंड मार्केटिंग में सेल्स फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, हेड ऑन मिलो, समझ आएगा दूसरे के पेन पॉइंट क्या है, तभी तो उस हिसाब से मार्केटिंग करोगे. कि मार्केटिंग तो उस हिसाब से होगी ना. फिर जब सेल्स में ऑन ग्राउंड जाओगे, 10 प्रोजेक्ट देखोगे, फिर एनालिसिस करोगे कि अच्छा ये 11वां जो आ रहा है, वाई इज इट गुड और वाई इज इट नॉट. सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद सेल्स.
So sales is not something which students these days are really interested in. They want to sit in the office and do the work. Running around on the ground is something which they are really hesitant. So any words for them?
ये चीजें नहीं चलेंगी. You have to burn the midnight oil. ये जो मैंने अच्छी शर्ट अच्छी पैंट पहनी ना, एक टाइम पे इतनी मेहनत करता था. I used to change my shirt twice a day because it used to get so sweaty. अगर अच्छा करना है, बड़ा बनना है, तो ये सब चीजें you can't complain. इससे तो भी बहुत ज्यादा आगे चीजें करनी पड़ेगी. ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
Great.